How to Play End of Beginning by Joe. This is one of the easiest songs for beginners and it's only 4 chords. Step 1, put your capo on the 2nd fret. Step 2, learn the chords. You're going to start with an F, then play a C, then a G. Now go back to the F. This time play an A minor and finish back at the G. Step 3, learn the strumming pattern. For this song, it's going to be down strums the whole time. You're going to start with your F and play 8 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to play 4 down strums for the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 for the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put everything together and it should sound like this.